JFF President Michael Ricketts says he's confident of securing a second voting term when the Jamaica Football Federation elections are held later this year. Ricketts is likely to face competition from Vice President Raymond Anderson, who has indicated a willingness to challenge the former Clarendon FA boss.
Michael Ricketts ascended to Jamaica's football throne in 2017 following the passing of Captain Horace Burrell. Months later, he thwarted the challenge of Ambassador A.B. Stuart Stevenson before being returned unopposed in 2019. This time, he will have to do some groundwork of his own with a potential challenge from Vice President Raymond Anderson. Ricketts, the former Clarendon FA boss, is ready to stand firm even as he faces one of his allies who has branded his campaign slogan as real solid action.
I think so. I am very confident. I'm pretty confident. I have a lot of support from my parish presidents and from the interest groups and from the clubs. I am pretty confident.
While the incumbent welcomes the challenge of Anderson, Ricketts is urging for a particular principle.
I really don't want to really go in detail, but certainly I would want those on the other side to be respectful. I mean, the derogatory comments really don't help. I mean, we will be in football after the elections, so I just want us to be respectful, campaign, but be clean in doing so.
Ricketts believes the Federation is on the right track, despite what the outside perceptions are, and he's prepared to work with what he knows.
I'm quietly getting and staying in contact with my people. I mean, we have meetings from time to time, and I have some real astute people with real good football and political minds, and we are doing what we know is right.
Anderson has already shown his hand, but Ricketts says there will be no closing of the door should Anderson be unsuccessful.
Well, we will never ever push anybody aside for no reason at all. We just want to ensure that since we all are in the sport and we all are volunteers, we just want to be very respectful, and once you are committed to the process of growing the sport, then we won't leave you behind.
The Jamaica Football Federation's voting congress is scheduled for later this year. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.